Hi folks, I wanted to walk you through the menu for January 15th, 2018. For many of you, this is going to be a holiday week because of MLK. And so I'm hoping that you'll have some extra time on Monday to enjoy cooking and get a little bit of a head start for the rest of the week. All right, so I know a lot of you are experiencing cold weather still. So this week has lots of warm, comforting meals to combat all that frigidness. So with a lot of warmth. So we're going to start off the week with a sheet pan baked chicken. We have members last year that requested more sheet pan dishes just because they're super convenient. Everything can be done on one sheet, or maybe two if you're cooking for a lot of people. And so we're always listening to your feedback. So we're going to start this week off with some baked chicken thighs on a sheet pan. That's going to be over sweet potatoes and bell peppers. We're going to finish it off with a lemon paprika butter for some extra flavor and a little bit of richness. That will help you combat all that cold weather. And again, remember, if we have other diet options, you can select the gluten-free, the paleo, or the vegetarian option. And you can see how the titles will change. The pictures do not, which helps us keep our meal plan prices super low for you. So we still want to give you lots of flexibility at a very, very low price. And again, you can always switch up the serving sizes. In my case, I'm going to make the original because I'm very excited about this dish, and I'm going to go ahead and scale it to 6 so I have extra leftovers. And I'm going to click make this meal, and again, that just gets added to my grocery list and weekend prep. On Tuesday, we've got an almost Texas chili. The reason it's almost is, traditional Texas chili just uses spices and ground meat. In our case, we use a little bit of tomato to give it more of a kind of a stewiness to it so you have something to dip those cornbread muffins into. Again, if you are paleo, you're not into the cornbread muffins, we have a lemon garlic broccoli on the side. So for me, I'm going to actually go ahead and do the paleo option this week because I know that I'm just not really going to be into baking cornbread muffins in the middle of the week. And I'm more excited about the broccoli. So I'm going to go ahead and make this meal. And actually, I'm going to scale it to 8 because chili freezes really well. And it's just great to have some extra chili in the freezer for those busy weeks. On Wednesday, we've got a Chinese hot and sour soup with a fried rice on the side. This is also a member request, and we're super excited to bring this restaurant meal home to you and show you how easy it is to do in your own kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and make this meal. You can go ahead and browse all the diet options on your own. And this is something we love doing, chili. We love increasing chili one day because it doesn't take really an extra time to make chili, and then doing something different with it another day. So I've already increased mine to eight servings, but what it's going to do is for anyone just making the regular old version, you're going to have enough leftovers that on Thursday you're going to make leftover chili nachos, which is perfect for a game day meal. So you can go ahead and even make the chili later on the week, or increase it, or save this meal for a Saturday or Sunday. Not Saturday anymore because college football's over, but Sunday for regular football season. And I'm going to go ahead and make this meal because I already will have the chili ready from the 2 days before. So I always like to do a salmon dish or some sort of fish during the week. We didn't have a salmon on the menu this week, so I'm going to go ahead and go into the archives and pick a meal to add. This is it's taken a little bit longer than usual. We've been having some database issues, but so things have been a little bit slower, but we're working on getting everything back up to speed soon. So I'm going to go search for salmon. All right. And when I mouse over, I can see the names of it. I'm actually going to do this roasted salmon with lemon herb glaze. So I'm going to click on that. And that's going to go ahead add to my menu for the week, and I'm going to go ahead and click make this meal. And now I'm pretty much done. All I need to do is go to my grocery list, and I like to email my grocery list to myself. And when I get the email, I go ahead and just, forward it back to myself and add in all the other things I need, like eggs and milk. So I'm going to go ahead and just email this to myself, and it's going to go ahead and do that. You can go off and check off the things that you have, whatever you'd like. And for those of you who like to do their weekend prep, you can find that on this tab, or you can print and email the entire meal plan to yourself. So lots of different options there. So that is our week for January 15th, 2018, our menu. Hope you enjoy it and have a lot of fun in the kitchen. Thanks.